It says that the reported plan by the Philippines to deploy mid-range missiles is a provocative move. Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesperson Mao Ning says it is, quote, extremely irresponsible to the people of the region. Beijing urges the Philippines to heed the calls of regional countries and remove the system as soon as possible. The United States deployed its Typhoon mid-range missile system in the Philippines in April, and troops from both countries have been training jointly for the potential use of the heavy weaponry.
And what do you expect? Sila naman yung mga system din sila eh. And then, wala tayong minimum defense capability natin is medyo weak. And then, if we were to guard our territory, we need the right amount of planes, right amount of vessels, which we don't have. So, what's the best and fastest way to upgrade your entire defense capabilities? By putting a missile system. Kasi, di ba, yung manpower doon, iba. Maintenance doon is cheaper than maintaining a boat or an airplane. So, yun ang best option natin. Tapos magagalit sila.
At saka kasi di ba sinasabi na with itong yung scope nito is within our 200 nautical miles yung sa natin sa EEZ natin. And wala tong land eh. So we need that missile Typhoon mid-range.
Yeah, but the Typhoon can aabot siya certain province ata of China eh. But of course naman, no, history ng Philippines, wala naman sa atin yung ganun na we just want to protect ourselves. Kasi tayo ang binabangga ang barko natin, napuputulan tayo ng daliri, pinapaulanan tayo ng flare sa eroplano, di ba? So, how can we defend ourselves?
Kaya ito sila, nagagalit sila sa China.
And yung pinaka-beacon natin ng resistance or to claim yung West Philippine Sea is BRP Sierra Madre, ugod-ugod na. Diba? So at least very basic defense.
We need modernization talaga.
This is a first step in securing our homeland.
Pero di ba umpisa pa lang nung gagamitin pa lang to doon sa mga joint exercises, yung mga balikatan exercises. Sinasabi na magpo-procure ang Pilipinas siya, magkakaroon sila. Diba?
Typhoon system.